So student, now in select case we will do a second program. So the concept is what? So concept is what? I am just specifying the question here. Write a Visual Basic program to take three radio button, three radio buttons. Okay, and change. Okay, and clicking on each should change the form background color accordingly. Okay, accordingly. It means if I'm clicking on red button, then the background color of the form will get changed with red. If I'm clicking on blue button, the background color of the form will get blue. You will say, sir, already we have done this, already this kind of program we have done. No students, here I am going to show you the different way and easiest way and most appreciate way how can we do this kind of program or this technique we can apply with select case. This is another example, the second example of select case which I am going to show you now. So let's first design the form. Let's first design the form. As I am going to take option button, so let me take the frame, which is not mandatory, just to design your frame, form nicely. We have taken here frame. Now I am taking a radio button, and the caption of this radio button I am keeping as red. Fine students, red. Now here I can write the select a color. So I just gave, understood why I took frame. See, if I am moving the frame, the radio button also is getting moved. So that is the advantage of keeping controls, related controls in a single frame, in a individual frame. Fine students. Okay. Now what I want to do, I want to take some other buttons as well. So I am just taking one more button here. For what? For blue. So taking here blue. Fine. This is how we used to do before. Now double clicking on the red button, I need to write here form 1 dot back color equal to VB red. Fine. Now going to back, double clicking on blue, I need to write form 1 dot back color equal to VB blue. So you will think, what is new here, sir? What is new here? Because actually I didn't start new till yet. I didn't start the new things till yet. So in this case, the drawback is what, students? You first try to understand, as much as number of options I am keeping here, as much as number of color options I am keeping here, for them I have to write a individual procedure, isn't it? I have to write. See, for red I wrote a procedure. For blue also there is one more procedure. So is it possible? Is it possible to take only one procedure and do all the things? Yes, that is possible. You have to use for that what? Now there is a concept you have to use. Select case you have to use. Other than that, there will be a concept. So what that concept, you please take care carefully, as it is totally new to all of you. Now I am removing the blue button. Okay, only red, let it be there on screen. After taking one option, what you do, you simply copy it. Right click and use copy. You just right click on the radio button and copy it, or you can choose the copy option from here. Okay, so this button get copied. Now we will do paste. What it is happening or what it is showing, all of you please notice very carefully. When I'm choosing paste, it will show you this message, students. You already have a control in the name of option 1. Do you want to create control array? So in this case you have to choose yes. Fine students, choose yes. So what is happening? One more red is coming. One more red is coming here. So just keep where you want to place it. Okay. So now let's do paste again to bring another one. So I brought it. So just press here. Understood my point? So later on we can change it. We can change the what? The caption to blue and to green. Okay, understood. Now you will say, sir, what is the difference? Difference is there, students. You just click on it and check the option here. What it is written? Option 1 of 0. And what it will be? Option 1 of 1. Array. These become array variable. Option 1 of 2. Understood my point? So still, if you want to know the difference, you just double click on any of. What you got? You see, this is the additional thing you got here. Index as integer. If you double click on any one, double click on any button, it will go to the same procedure. You double click on any of the option, it will go to the same procedure. Understood my point? What I mean to say? It means all the options, because we copied and pasted and we have chosen control array yes option, that's why it is coming to one function or one procedure. Now let me write the coding for the color. You check. So I have to use here select case. Because why select case? Because all the options it is coming to the same procedure. So how it is possible to recognize which color it will provide? Fine. So for recognizing that, there is index, students, here. There is index here. So if I am clicking on this button, red button, so index will be what? What? 0. If I am clicking on this, then index will be what? 1. If I am clicking on this, index will be what? 2. So understood? Through the index, it means through the index we can recognize that which button we are pressing and which color should come. Understood? Let me try, then you will able to understand. So select case index I wrote. Now what I will write? Case what? 0. The first one is 0. So if you are clicking on red, so value will become 0. So if it is 0, then what will be the form color? What will be the form color? Form background color is VB red. Simple. Then same way, if it is 1, then what will be the form background color? It will become VB blue. Understood? Case 2, it will become VB green. So fine. And you can write here case else, which is not required because you don't have any other color. You don't have any other option. So you don't keep this one. Not required in this case. At least for this case, we don't require. Now you run the program and let's check. See, by default the red color is coming. Why? Because it is selected. So check the others. Okay, see the red is keep clicked. Why? Because by default the value of the value is 0. That's why it is getting clicked of its own. When you run the program, you check red is there, blue. See, red is already clicked. So how can we solve it? So this is how the problem can be solved, and you run the program, can check. See, when I'm clicking on each button, the respective color is appearing on the form. Hope all of you understood. Let me just define what I did in the beginning. At first I took a radio button, thereafter I just copied. After copying, I paste. When I pasted it, then I choose out of 3 options, I choose yes option, so that it create a control array. This is known as control array, students. Because if I don't choose yes, this will become option 1, this will become option 2, this will become option 3. But if I choose control array, then the same name will be applied to everyone. You can check here option 1 of 0, option 1 of 1, option 1 of 2. So this is how the control array will be designed. Thereafter, if you double click on any of these, it will come to the select case. It will come to the same procedure with an index. So every button has an index. So it will come to the index. So clicking on each, it will recognize that which button we are clicking or which index we are clicking. So according to the index, the color is getting changed. Hope all of you understood this nicely, student.